I want to explain to all of you, all people of the world, at present there will be viruses, problems everywhere. Viruses will create problem? No, viruses cannot create problem. Because within head to toes, if there are cells, this is about approximate number of the cells in our body. And 10 times to this, minimum 10 times is bacteria within. 10 times this minimum is called the viruses within. Without viruses, bacteria, this body cannot exist. Therefore, when we work and we do not know how to look after this head to toes because there is no teaching. Medical teaching is incomplete. In Hindi, English, whatever. Spiritual teaching except Kriyayoga, all are incomplete. All are good teaching, there is no problem, but they are incomplete. Complete education, complete religion is only Kriyayoga. Therefore, if anybody is not expert of Kriyayoga, they have lot of stress and tension. Therefore, you see, if so many viruses are important, why viruses are so many? Because we need more hygiene. Suppose that you are sitting here, there is no hygiene. You are not able to clean the place, then how you will sit it? In order to maintain perfect hygiene, we need viruses. Okay, let us, we are working and walking and running and doing all activities. Lungs is expanding, contracting all the time, and heart is pumping and expanding all the time. Then what happens? There is a hardness. When everything is soft, its hardness starts increasing. When inside the lungs tissues become hard, then oxygenation rate decreases. Then we do not have sufficient amount of oxygen, whatever we need. Then we cannot work properly. We feel tiredness. Then we need complete hygiene maintenance in the lungs. How hygiene will be maintained? Now responsibility of viruses. To enter inside lungs, then you start changing the hardness of the lungs tissues. Then what you get? You get so many changes. You get watering of the eyes, watering of the nose, what you call the cold cough, flu. Many say it is allergy, it is sinuses. In fact, this is called the hygiene management of the lungs. When lungs is perfect, the heart will have relief, kidney will have relief. Lungs are very important. Therefore, when viruses starts working, how to make this lungs best place for interaction of the external climate. You see, air is going inside and coming, the communication with the external and internal is maintained by the lungs. We need healthy lungs. Therefore, viruses are very important. But this was saying in the everywhere, I think, east and west both. When we have cold cough, watering of the eyes are there, then just wait. A time will come, you will have like yellow cough. When we have yellow cough, oh now, this cold cough is going to get removed. If only watering is coming, there is no yellow patch of cough, then we think that, oh, this is not complete. We need complete session. First water will come, eyes wateries, nose wateries, then slowly cough will be converted into the yellow patch, yellow phlegm. Oh, now it is going to be healed. This is not correct. Thing is this, when viruses are working and we do not know how to cooperate, then lot of viruses get destroyed. Then there is a accumulation of viruses and there all kind of the external secretion that has to be cleaned. Then who is going to clean that? Bacteria. The bacteria used to eat the viruses and all substances of viruses coming out. then all the watery substance is converted into yellow patch, yellow flame. Then we said, oh, now it is better condition. It is now cold and cough is going to finish. Because this is the important symptom. If you get yellow phlegm, thick phlegm, now there is a healing faster. This is not true. When you get viruses, you must change your food style. Do more recharging, practice more Kriyayoga. When you practice more Kriyayoga and try to take the food accordingly, then what kind of food helps viruses? Which is called the bitter food. Bitter means alkaline. What is the alkaline and bitter food? This example, you can say ginger, neem fruits. Neem fruits, technically in India we call it neem kauri. If you do not have neem fruits, you can have the neem leaf. This is the neem leaf, this is the rachis, and both sides you will find the leaves are there. Take only the rachis, the central part, because central part brings you unity. All the leaves, they are connected with each other through this rachis. Take this, take 7, 8, this and the ginger and the tulsi. That's called the Indian basil. Indian basil leaf. Tulsi seed is important. If you do not get the seed, you can take leaf, but too much leaf having side effect. Maximum 10 to 15 leaves, not more than that. Take the tulsi seed and leaves and the ginger, neem kauri or rachis. Along with that, you can have all spices. All spices seeds. Try to select the seeds of the spices, not leaf or bark, not petals, flowers, nothing, only seeds. You can take small quantities of the all seeds, then try to soak together. Let water should go inside. Then boil them slowly in water content. How much you need, when you try to practice it, you will know it. Otherwise, one day I can teach it how to make it, how much water you have to put in this. And try to just have the slow heating. You will make some liquid. Technically, we call it kadha. Kadha is something like a tea, something like different kind of tea. It creates alkaline media in your system. It helps viruses. Viruses are very important in the life. Without viruses, we cannot live. Do not have negative idea about viruses, bacteria. Let body become sterile. No virus, no bacteria. You cannot work. You have to facilitate atmosphere for the viruses to make system clean, functioning. Therefore, this is the thing. Other things, try to eat all kind of food, soup. What kind of soup? Mature grains. What are mature grains? For example, take corn. Generally, we eat the green corn. Generally, everywhere in all over the world. But in North America and Europe, they have a special kind of soft, sweet green corn. Immature, they boil it and they eat it. That is immature. Mature grains means when this corn is perfectly mature in the tree. When corn seeds become mature, the whole tree becomes dried. Select those seeds. In the same way, all kind of grains which are mature, how you know they are mature? When you sow them, you will get plant. You can make soup, like lentil soup, brown rice soup, corn soup, wheat berry soup, so many varieties of the soup. You can take that thin soup and this kadha. Just wait 3 4 days and you can have fruits. In more seeds, better fruits. Generally, what they find luxury, if there is less seedless oranges, that is not the perfect good fruits. Therefore, more seeds, better. Take lime. Some limes having very less seed. They are very good, but seed in size is very less and very weak. Sometimes you'll find lime is very small, seed is lot of number. Like pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruits having maximum seed. Only seed exists, nothing else. That gives a good healing. Therefore, when you have these viruses, they are working, they are very important. When they come, you welcome them. When they are working, try to have the like pomegranate and like custard fruits in that there are so many seeds and a small lime, so many seeds. Try to select the fruits which are rich in the seeds. Then what you will do, you can eat pulp, but take the pulp out because we want completely in better condition, then put the heat. Because when you put the heat, it creates a good condition, alkaline media for the body. Try to heat it. After that, take the pulp and seed. Crack the seed and make soup. Take that soup. This is the things what you have to manage. You have to manage your own head to toe. This very important tool, machine. Because of this, we do all kind of work. Engineering, medical, any other work. Helping plants, helping animals, serving each other. For everything we need. Head, face, neck, arms, back, chest, abdomen, both legs in active mode. It is our first responsibility to keep our head to toe healthy condition all the time and full of joy and peace. This is very important.